Hello everyone, welcome to the digital content module 4 week 2. Now we'll start with expression first and then we'll be doing the postfix and the prefix. So expression means, like suppose you are having an expression SI equal to PRT divided by 100. Now when you write it in computer language Java form, then this becomes SI equal to P into R into T and then whole divided by 100, and we have to put the semicolon. Similarly, S equal to UT plus half AT square. Here also the same thing, S will be equal to U into T plus, we can change this half to 0.5 into A into T into T. Out here we could have used the mathematical function also, but since we have not done so, we will not use. So these type of mathematical formulas has to be changed into expression, okay, so that the Java understands. Now most of you all are, what you all are doing is you are writing PRT directly by 100. Now you have to put the bracket also first, because if you are not putting the bracket, now according to the PEDMAS rule, what it will do is it will divide T with 100 and then it will give you a wrong result. The next one, which is very important, is postfix and prefix. Postfix as we have done last week, the operators, under operators we have one category, that is unary operator. So postfix and prefix are examples of unary operator, where we have this is operand and this one is the operator. That means this operator works only one operand, and that is why this is known as a unary operator. So the meaning of postfix is work and then update, and prefix is update first and then work. It's very simple. Okay, one more thing I want to say you, the meaning of A plus plus, A minus minus, A minus minus, A plus plus A is, suppose you have a value in A, let us take A equal to 5, and this one, the meaning of A plus plus is it will add up 1 with A, so finally the value will become 6. Similarly, A minus minus is, the value of A will become 4. Same goes for minus minus A and plus plus A. Only what we need to keep in mind, we need to understand that whether it is a postfix operator or prefix operator, and accordingly we need to calculate in an expression. So let us do one example, then it will be more clear. Suppose we have taken the value of A as 2 and I have an expression like this: evaluate C equal to plus plus A plus A plus 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 2 into plus plus A. So we have the first one, C equal to plus plus A. Now whatever the result will come, this result will be stored in C. That is why it is taken as C equal to. So we will calculate these, evaluate these, and it will go to C. So we have the first value of A as 2. Now it is a prefix operator, plus plus A. So already I said that update and then work. So what will happen, the value of T2 will become 3. So and then it will work. So it will become 3 plus. Now it is A plus plus. So 3 remains 3. We will take 3 and then it will be updated and it will become 4 plus 2 into plus plus A. So again this 4 will become 5. Okay, and we have to take 5 only because it is update and then work. Now we have to follow the paired mass rule. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 10 it becomes 16. So finally the value of C becomes 16. Let me do one more question. If A is taken as 0, evaluate C equal to minus minus A plus A plus plus. So both we have now, okay, minus also, plus also, and this is prefix and this is postfix. So minus minus A means this 0 will be subtracted by 1, so it becomes minus 1 since it is a prefix operator, plus A plus plus. Now A plus plus is a postfix operator, so we need to work first and then we need to change it. So we have to take minus 1 and then this will become 0 because minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 and A plus plus we have. So minus 1 minus 1, now minus minus becomes plus, 1 plus 1 is 2, so we need to take the value of the greater one. So some few more examples I'll be giving you in the worksheet. You have to complete that worksheet. Thank you.